This vine is growing on a tree stump in my yard. It has green berries that later turned black. What is it? And is it edible? And this is Michelle from Fraysia. Guess what, Michelle? We know somebody who actually grew this vine. Doc, did you grow this vine?
I grow stuff, and I kill a lot of stuff too, though, I gotta say. But you know, it's like it's my laboratory. You know, like Frankenstein or something. I can tell you absolutely how to kill stuff. You know, maybe not always how to grow it, but yeah, I've grown this vine, and it's called the trailing or vine and cucumber or Guadalupe cucumber. You know, it's Malorthia pendula. It's an annual vine. It's used sometimes just as an ornamental, and sometimes it can get a little invasive. And it likes to, you know, trail around on things, and the little fruit on it is pretty tiny, you know, and I think it's even called like mouse vine or something in some books I've looked at. But I like it because it's kind of ornamental, you know. And as far as the edible thing, again, err on the side of caution. I know there's contradictory information out there on the internet, and it's an issue of, at the particular time of ripeness, it's like the mayapple. You know, the mayapple has very poisonous roots, or the pokeweed, you know, it has the poisonous fruit. It's that part of the plant you have to be particular about. So I would say err on the side of caution and don't try to eat it, even though if you see on the internet that it is edible at certain stages of development. How do you know, when it's at that point that it becomes from edible to toxic? So I would say just, grow it for its ornamental value.
All right.
Yeah.
There you go.
Malorthia pendula, Guadalupe cucumber.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.